Today I'm going to show you the easiest $4,000 job every window cleaner must do. And no, it's not screen washing, solar panel cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure washing, none of that stuff. This one literally changed my business and none of the window cleaners know about it. And this service is installing premium gutter guards. And here is why gutter guards are the most profitable add-on in window cleaning. We charge about $19 per foot, the gutter guards are around $3 per foot, so the profit is $16 per foot. And a normal house easily around 200 feet, so you're looking at $4,000 per job without buying any new equipment or learning any new trade. And here's why this works so well with your window cleaning business. The only thing you basically need is a ladder, which you already most likely have, and most importantly, you already have the customer's trust. And because I keep all my customer information inside our Bluework CRM, I could literally send a message to all 1,000 customers in 1 second. And here is the exact message we send that gets responses immediately. Hey, this is Daniil with Transparent. We cleaned your windows back in early August. We are working in your neighborhood this week offering free gutter cleaning with every gutter guard install. We use the best stainless steel micromesh system with a lifetime no-clog warranty, so you'll never have to pay for gutter cleaning again. Have you ever thought about installing gutter guards? And yes, we actually offer a lifetime no-clog warranty. If the gutters ever get clogged in 5, 10 or even 20 years, we come out and fix it for free. Homeowners love this. It immediately makes the offer feel premium and trustworthy. Why do we offer it so confidently? Because we install stainless steel micromesh gutter guards, not the cheap plastic ones. These gutter guards are genuinely working and never clog. Here's an example from our recent job. So, if you're a window cleaner and you want the easiest, highest margin add-on in the entire industry, start offering gutter guards. You don't need new equipment, you don't need new skills, you just need to text your past customers, give them a real offer, and deliver a clean install. And just one of these jobs per week and will completely change your business.